So the second practical steps is that do not suppress your pain. Don't. Psalm 34:18 tells us, the Lord is close to the brokenhearted and saves those who are crushed in spirit. So when you bring your pain to God, He meets you there with a grace and love. And like I said, as part of my closing statements on the live show, is that don't make that mistake of building an altar for your brokenness. Don't idolize your pain. The pain that comes with brokenness can be very addictive. It can be very, very addictive. Like you just want to be there. You don't want to come out. But my advice to you is please let it go. Let it go. I repeat, please and please, brothers and sisters, let that pain go. Release yourself of it.